How to find follow request in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to find follow request in TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. Launch Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok app. If there is any update button, tap update and update to the latest version. Tap open to access TikTok app. In order to find follow request in TikTok, simply you need to navigate to the inbox icon at bottom right corner, which is beside profile icon. And at the top, you will see new followers option. Select that. And here you will see all the list of the follow request in TikTok. At the top, you can easily see someone has requested to follow me. So if you wish to accept, you can easily tap on accept or simply you can deny. So that's how we find follow request in TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.